60 feet, over 60 feet of chrome trim lives on the Genesis 5.0 R-Spec, and that's including all the chrome around the windows as well. And if the OGs remember anything about me, is that I hate chrome trim. It's just too gaudy, too flashy, don't like it. So about over a year ago, I ordered some 3M gloss black vinyl to mitigate all of the chrome, and that only came in a 25-foot roll, and there's over 60 feet of chrome on the car, and I didn't know that at the time. So obviously I ran out of material to do all of the chrome. So I only had enough to do the moldings on the front and rear bumper, which came out awesome. This stuff is very robust. I've had it on the car for over a year, and you guys know I don't drive this car very lightly. A few Chicago winters, plenty of rallies, a lot of miles, and these things are still holding up very well. So I highly recommend this product. I have the exact link in the description if you want to do this to your own car. But today I have ordered some more stuff off of Amazon. But unfortunately, in the times that we live in, Amazon is only prioritizing essential goods. And what do you know? Blackout vinyl is not essential. So who knows when that's going to come in. But fortunately, we do have enough to do the chrome moldings on the bottom of the door. So that's what I'm going to do today. The thing that I'm going to have to do is remove some sealant off of the car, because the car is freshly washed, clay barred, and sealed. So I'm going to remove some of the sealant that is on the chrome with some isopropyl alcohol. Okay, so the two chrome strips, I did my best to kind of remove the sealant that was on there. It feels pretty bare compared to the paint, so I'm pretty confident that this is good to go. Make sure, very important, that the edges inside the seams here is clean, because that's where the edge of the vinyl is going to be clinging onto, so you don't want it to be peeling from the edges there. And also on the inside of the doors, you want to be cleaning those. So next step, I'm gonna get the vinyl. Actually, because the car's so low and it's kind of a weird working angle slash filming angle, I'm just gonna jack up this side of the car a little bit so that the car kind of raises up and tilts that way, so it's a little easier to see and work. out pretty well. A quick, simple little project goes a long way. That looks so much better than chrome. Oh yeah. Still have to do the other side and the window trim. I think I'm gonna leave the window trim just because it's not that bad. It gives the car some kind of line. And it looks like a pain in the ass to do anyway, but the door trim came out so sick. Blends with the car nice. So if you have any questions, let me know. When the rest of the stuff comes in, I'll do the other side, and then I think that's it for the chrome blackout trim. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll get back to you, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. Such a cleaner look than stock. It's pretty simple. Believe me, if I can do this, you can do this. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. 61, over 61 feet of chrome trim.